In this video, I'll show you how to journal your trades using Microsoft Excel. Keeping a trading journal helps you track performance, spot patterns, and improve decision making. We'll create a clean and functional trade journal from scratch. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Excel and create a new blank workbook. In the first row, we'll add our column headers. Type the following in your column. So first one is this A column, in which we'll add our date, then ticker, trade type, which can be buy or sell, entry price, exit price, quantity, profit slash loss, strategy, and on the I column we'll add notes so that we can add our notes here. These are the most essential fields to track your trades. Now let's format the header row. Click and drag to select cells A1 through I1, then go to the top ribbon and select bold or press Ctrl+B on your keyboard. Next, click the fill color icon. It looks like a paint bucket, and choose a light gray or light blue color from here. Now to freeze the top row so that if you scroll here, then the header remains frozen. For that, firstly select your columns from here, then go to the top of the screen and click on the View tab in the Excel ribbon. In the View tab, find the Freeze Panes option in the Window section. It's usually near the right side. Click on Freeze Panes and from the drop down choose Freeze Top Row. Now let's enter a sample trade together. In row 2, type your date, which is this in my case. Now type your ticker, then type your trade type, which is buy in my case. Now enter your entry price, which is $170, and then exit price. Now enter your quantity and make sure to leave this G column, and in the strategy enter your strategy, which was breakout in my case, and mention your notes in the I column. Now let's calculate the profit or loss. Click on cell G2 and type this formula, which is equal to bracket E2 minus D2 bracket complete, and then this star symbol and then F2 and press enter. This formula subtracts the entry price from the exit price and multiplies it by the quantity. Click and drag the fill handle down from the corner of G2 to apply the formula to future rows so that we don't need to enter this formula manually once again. If you'd like to track your performance over time, you can insert charts later, but for now focus on entering trades consistently. A well-maintained journal builds trading discipline, and that's how you create a simple yet powerful trade journal in Excel. Update it honestly after every trade and review it weekly to improve your strategy. So this was the complete process. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.